Hi, today we're going to be doing session 7, and today I want to teach you that readers determine themes and support them with evidence from across the story. So today's focus is going to be all about the theme of the story. So here is what theme is. And I know we've talked about theme a little bit this year, and it's probably one of the hardest things to pull out from the story because they don't come out and say it. So it's something that you have to infer from what you read in the story. So the theme is the message or lesson that the author wants you to take away from the story. So some things to think about when you're trying to pull out the theme from a story. It says, what did the characters learn and how did the characters grow? So it's something that the characters are going through and learning, and then you as a reader can also be learning and growing as a result of that. So here are some common themes. So here's a list: courage, honesty, love, friendship, forgiveness, loyalty, hope, equality, hard work, or teamwork. And something I want you to think about, and we're going to do this work today, is that a book can have multiple themes. So it doesn't just have to have one theme. So today I want you to be thinking about this, and we're going to look at two possible themes you're going to be picking out for the story. So keep this list handy and you can refer back to it, and you can use some of these off this list, but you don't have to if they apply to our story. So here's what we're going to be doing today. So we're going to start thinking about possible themes in our story. Remember that there can be more than one, even more than two. Okay, we're going to narrow it down, to about two themes. And you don't have to be right at this point. It's okay. So we're about halfway through our book, and I want you to think about two themes. So a theme is like one or two words. Okay, so remember from our previous slide. So if you want to use courage as your theme, okay, if you think that this book is all about courage or parts of it are about courage, why do you think so? So if you write that theme here, so if your theme is courage, you would write the word here and you would say, my theme is courage. And how do I know this? Well, you need evidence to support that theme. So, what are some examples of Praiseworthy and Jack showing courage so far in the story? Okay. Um, Another theme could be survival. Okay. Love, learning lessons in the story. Think about what they've learned and how that relates to these big ideas in the world. Okay. So think about what was going on during the times. Think of some of the problems that they've faced, okay, and how they've overcome those problems throughout the story. And that might help you um, choose the theme as well. So remember, what did the characters learn and how did they grow? So, what changes have happened to Praiseworthy and Jack throughout this journey that they've been on? So, that can help you to build your theme. So, again, you're going to decide what you want your theme to be and then list a couple bits of evidence from the text. So, if you can't think of any evidence from the text, then it's probably not one of the themes. Okay. So, I'm not necessarily saying that courage is a theme. I'm just saying if you were to choose that, that's where you would write it. And then you're saying, how do you know? So, we're going to choose two today because we're going to be doing some work with this again later on this week. So I want you to have two good ones, that you have at least two or three pieces of evidence from the text to support those themes. So that's your work for today. Remember that your job is always highlighted down here, okay? If you need more support, you can always send us messages and then we can help you with that, okay? So here's your stopping point for the week, for the week, for today. Oh my gosh, I'm losing it. Here's your stopping point for today, okay? And let us know if you have any questions. Alrighty, have a good day and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.